Hey, thanks for clicking on the video. I appreciate you watching. This video, we're going to finish up all the welding on the 69 Camaro and get it ready for paint for the next video. I don't know if you can see behind me. She's in primer already. So we're nearing the end of this project and we'll be on to the next one. I actually just picked up another project last night, so I'll tell you more about that later. But yeah. Oh, and also, I appreciate everyone subscribing. We're at 12 subscribers now, so I'm a bit of a big shot now. I don't want to brag or nothing, but I'm feeling pretty famous. So I appreciate you guys subscribing and the likes and the couple comments I've been getting. I really appreciate it. So keep watching and let me know what you think. All right. All right. Back on the Camaro. I spent the week before Christmas. I painted it. A staircase, custom home, and built my wife a bookshelf for Christmas, and built my daughter a toy box. So not much work got done. I've already been over this, but I've cleaned up the coating off of the trunk drop down, hit it with some weld-proof primer. I gotta try and get this thing in here. She's gonna be a little snug. That's not the right way. There we go. Looks pretty good, close enough where you could squish it and weld it. On this side, it's got a much bigger gap, and it's going to take a little bit of, but this has to come over. I know that this has to come over quite a ways too, so. So, let me think about this a little bit. See if I want to start welding it up. It's a little scary with the trunk drop downs, but I think everything's is where it's got to be. And if I have to kind of flex the whole floor up, get the quarters under it, and I can let it down. This side's good. This side's almost good. This side's been replaced, so it doesn't have this flange for the tail pan. So it's going to be a little trickier with the flange. It's going to be trickier because it's pushing it a little. But there's some extra brazing rod in there and stuff like that I can grind out, and I'll figure it out. Anyways, I'll get back to you in a second. Alright, I just decided to tack it up. So you can see, you can't see, it's just in the way. You can see now. So I got holes, that's the flanges on the gas tank support. Holes here. This one's a little far over, but I'll be able to catch it. That's the end of the frame rail. Same as we're here, and then I'm gonna go along here and get that all solid in one piece, and then I'll work on fitting this stuff here and getting the quarter panels pulled into where they're supposed to be. So that's what I'm doing now. No, thanks. I'll go to the middle here. I don't know if I have gas on. No gas. Alright, that's all welded up. Bring it back when I figure out what I'm gonna do or talk about next. Anyways, I was just talking to the camera that wasn't on, saying I'm cutting out this raising and gonna clean this up a little bit so I can get the quarter closer. I'm already mostly done that, but we'll pretend we're gonna finish her up. There we go. That's where that should be. That's where that should be. Cool. And then you can kind of squish this in, pull the cord over it. Now, we'll weld those up now. What time is it? Might be home time. I might weld it up now anyways. Oh, that feels sturdy. Alright, I'm going to shut this off. And probably the next time I turn it on, it will be me welding up those trunk drop downs to the inner tailpan. Whether that's today or not, you guys will never know. Oh, everything takes 30 times as long. You gotta make you just let that grab. Yeah. Oh, frig. That burnt my arm. Imagine that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, I got that one drop down welded in. I haven't done the other side. It's time to go home, so I'm not going to get into it yet. I just want to test fit this rear panel. It looks like it's been going pretty good. So, that's what it looks like. I'm going home. Okay, so this has already been a core that's replaced, so it just has like, it's missing the flange there. I should have bent it up before I had everything all welded in, but I didn't, so I made this little step that I'm going to cut out this, weld it in. I was thinking about hammering around, but there's just so much junk in there, it's hard to get in there. Also, the trunk gutter and inner quarter piece here was really rot on the other side, so I went to one of my cars that I'm going to be replacing the quarters on anyways, and I cut this out of it and cleaned it up. So I'll weld that on the other side, and then I think that the tailpan's ready to go in then, so that's what we're going to do. I already marked a line with the tailpan. I'm probably going to cut a little bit on the other side of the line to give myself a bit of a gap, and then so I sprayed some weld through primer on this side, and I put in the shrink stretcher, so it's pretty close. It's a little bit tweaking to get up around this corner here. So much friggin' raisin rod in it that okay, so I thought it was recording and I wasn't, but I've got that in there pretty decent. It's a little high in a couple spots, and it's perfect in a couple other spots, so I'll probably hit it with a grinder, flatten it out, and then once I get the majority of it tacked, I'll use the heat of the weld to kind of round that edge over. Down there I'll need to grind it. Same up here. That's the plan.
all these mold out here?
Yeah. Oh, I think I like water. Don't stop me now. That was such a good time. Oh. 200 degrees, I just think I'm with the thing. Beautiful. Wow. Acceptable. All right. Get closer. So that's the edge now. Alright, so I'll plug all that up. I'll probably test fit the tail pan first. Then I'll put the little plug welds in there and grind them flat. Maybe I'll do it now. I don't know. And I'll get back to you. This is a little wonky here. I feel like that should line up, maybe not. That looks good. I feel like that one might be more important with the bumper there anyways. Over here, that's not bad. I hit it! Hit it with a hammer! Okay, that's alright. That's alright. Okay, I put a little slit here. Smooth this over, it's a little tight. I will roll that slit up, roll this slit up. This tight. Okay, that's where we're at. Let's see down there. A little close to the bottom, a little wide in the middle. You're probably not seeing that. Let's see what you're seeing. Yes, that's what it looks like. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna. Oh yeah! Look at the action shots. Here we go. Camera movement. Custom body work.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Alright, I got you inside the trunk here to show you tail pan to the flange of the quarter panel. Oh, you're a little in the way. So, if it turns out that you can't see anything, then oh well. You guys get the point. I'm gonna finish welding that in. I'll show you afterwards.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Yeah, you can't see anything. Okay, I'm just gonna turn you off because you can't really see what's going on here. A little bit of tight quarters in here, but I figured I'd try and get you in so you can see what's going on, but no promises. Let's see what we got here. There you go. Maybe you can see. Maybe not. So I already got the other wheel top fitted and welded. I thought I was recording for this, and then I was not. So you're just seeing me weld it in. So I got all these little spot welds in. I'm gonna go up top. Start welding in. That's top. So I'll see if I can get you guys positioned again. But if not, too bad. I did it. Cooking. Fire. Okay, right on. Okay, so that's where I'm going to end the video. I think that's a good place to stop on the car. Kind of give you nice little concise videos. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys coming by and seeing what I'm up to in the shop. So if you like and subscribe and come on back, and see what I'm up to the next time. So we're gonna finish up this Camaro soon, and then we've got the 71 Duster we'll be working on, and I just picked up over here that LS short block that I want to put together and get it in a solid kind of, instead of having parts all over the place, I'll get it all together and in one piece. And yeah, so we got lots going on. I'm gonna pull in a couple of my own cars, and we got a challenger of a customer's coming in too. So yeah, like, subscribe, and come back. I appreciate the subscribers from last week. What's up? Thanks for subscribing and commenting and liking. Yeah, really it helps. It helps keep the videos coming if I got guys actually watching. So okay, see you in the next video. Thanks.